In this Builderall tutorial, I'll show you how to send email to your existing email list using MailingBoss. Builderall will do away with MailingBoss. From 2023 and beyond, the process will still be the same. It's just the name MailingBoss will change. Let's get into it. First, I'm gonna click on Enter. Up here, you have your list and your tools, but we're not gonna be using any of these. This is if you have to create a new email list. But in this case, we have the list already, but I just want to send a regular email blast. This is going to be just one-time email. In that case, we have to use the campaigns, all right? But the way the system is set up, you can create it from here too, because you have access right here. Name the campaign, that's the name, depending on the name of the thing you want to set. And it's always good to use the same campaign name across, just so you'll not be confused. Choose the list. I'll send it to this list, then continue. As you can tell, AI profit, this is what I want, just regular. But in case you want anything else like autoresponder and automation, you can change it, but in this case it's just regular. I'll keep it as such. Suppose you want to change the title, you can do it from here, but I don't want to change it. Sequence is if you want to send it to a specific group of people, then you're gonna have to click and choose it, but in this case we're not gonna make use of it. We're gonna leave it. And this is the list name and the number of subscribers you have inside. In case you've made a mistake, you can just correct it here and scroll down. Right here, you don't touch it, just leave it the way it is. Then click save and next. Here you have to craft your email. I'm gonna copy my email and I'll paste it here. Then Ctrl V to paste. This email is a swipe from affiliate program. Normally it comes hypertext like this. We're gonna highlight, double click and go to the link and click on the link. Then you're gonna copy your affiliate link and paste it here. Ctrl V to paste. Then click on save and click outside the box. When you are done and you want to save the project, you can just hover over this check sign and click save done. That means you'll come back and work on it later on. But if you want to proceed, you're gonna scroll down and you're gonna click save and next. But before I do that, make sure you have your company address here. But I believe once you are doing this, you know already and you've already set up your MailingBoss. Then scroll down. If this is for affiliate marketing, make sure you have your affiliate link correct. You just have to click on it and make sure it's working. Scroll down, then click save and next. By default, if you have other emails set up, you can select one of them. I want to keep the Blogsdom here, which is my brand. Then into brackets, that's the right way to do it because I have a different email set up here because my email address doesn't have Blogsdom in it. This is the smart way to do it. Scroll down and click on save, and we have to add a subject right now. I'll go back and I'll copy the subject, which is from here. Copy, go back, click here and Ctrl V, save and next. I'll show you something. Let's go to advanced details, save and next. Good. I want to correct this. I'm gonna take off this subject thing here, save and next. Everything is intact. Now we are good. If you realize you've made a mistake, you just have to click advanced and go back to details. You can make those corrections. So that's how it works. Everything is good right now. What I'll do next, and you can add emoji if you want. Let's say I want money emoji, and it attracts people. Robot that sells for you while you sleep. I'll keep it like that. Yeah, just click save and next. Make sure everything is correct, including the email list, the name you want to use and everything. Since this is just one regular email or one blast, we don't have to worry about the date. But in case you want to make changes, you go to advanced again and click save. Don't forget this. It's pending, and when it's done, it's gonna say this one was a mistake. They keep the process every step of the way, which is good. It's pending right now, but when it's done, it's gonna say send. Because you have a bunch of people on the email list, it's gonna take time to make sure everything is working. Here it says pause sending. You don't want to click on it. You always have to make sure it says pause sending is activated. But when you see the play, that means it's not activated. You have to click play to activate it. But in this case, we'll leave it the way it is. Let me refresh and see if it's done. Right now, sent 100%. Don't forget to comment and subscribe to this channel.